Hi, it's me, Vinny. As much as everyone loves sticker, nobody likes sticker residue. Here are a few simple ways to remove sticker residue. Rubbing alcohol works great. Use an old washcloth to apply rubbing alcohol to the residue. It might take a little effort, but this method works great. Another great option is glue gun. Coat the surface and remove the residue with an old washcloth, then wipe down with a damp paper towel. If you want to try something different, you can use my favorite method, peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Personally, I prefer a nice organic peanut butter, but you can try any kind. Smoothie and creamy, extra crunchy, they all work for me. Take a small dab with your finger and rub into the residue. The oil from the peanut butter will break apart the stickiness. You might want to use a paper towel to create a little more friction. Once the residue is gone, wipe the peanut butter off with the damp paper towel. Just remember to be careful. If you have a peanut allergy, this method is not for you. Lucky for me, I don't have a peanut allergy, so I'm gonna have a nice peanut butter and tomato sandwich to relax. Fantastic. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And subscribe to see more of me, Vinny. Also, be sure to hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.